In this video, I will show you how to use ManyChat on Instagram for free. So let's just begin. First of all, what we need to do over here is head over to our settings. Now, before we go to the actual process, what we can do is simply head over to the link in the description below to get 1 month of ManyChat Pro completely for free. And that is going to be unlocking the best features on ManyChat. So basically, this is proceed. Now here you can see we have our channels on the left side of our screen, and we do need to get over to that. The first thing we can see is Instagram, which we need to connect with ManyChat, which I already have done. So what you get is, this is say if we get on TikTok, you get the same exact thing. You're going to be needing to click on connect, but for Instagram, of course. And once you do, it's going to be asking you for your password, your username and password. Simply put that here and enable all of these the permissions, and once you grant them these permissions, it is going to be connected. So that's how easy it is, and I hope this helps. You can always get to the link in the description below to simply get 1 month on ManyChat completely for free. Thank you so much for watching.